Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. So in this video, we will be learning exercise 3.6 from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. So till now for us, pair of linear equations were given and we were asked to find the solution through different methods, that is graphical method and algebraic method. So in algebraic method we had three types and graphical is one method, so totally four methods we learned. So now what we are going to do is that a pair of equations is given, but it is not a pair of linear equations. So for any pair of linear equation, the degree or the highest degree should be 1, okay, plus 1. So but when we have this pair of equations, now in these types of questions, the degree of the given equation is minus 1. So therefore we will be just using any substitute variable in order to make it into pair of linear equations. So in this exercise, once more let me repeat, pair of equations will be given. Okay, so we will be making some substitutions in order to make the given pair of equations into pair of linear equations. That is, we will be changing the degree minus 1 to degree plus 1. That is, we will not be using the same variable, we will be using some other variable in order to make it as pair of linear equations. So now let's move on to the questions. Solve the pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. As I said in the introduction itself, I said no, we will be given a pair of equations and we will be reducing them to pair of linear equations. So now subdivision 1, we have two equations. This is equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Okay, so now we will be just substituting some other variable in order to make it as pair of linear equations. Okay, so what I will do is that I will be just seeing the denominator of x or y or the any variable which is given. So if I check here, it is x over here and it is 1 by x over here as well as here. Here it is 1 by y and here also it is 1 by y only. So what I will do is that in both the cases, on both the equations, 1 by x and 1 by y are common. So what I will do is that I will be substituting with some other variable. You can take any variable. Now I'm going to take 1 by x as p and 1 by y is equal to q. So now I will just substitute the value of 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. So now my first given equation will become p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so now I will be just simplifying. In order to simplify, I have to take LCM. So my LCM is 6. So 3p plus 2q is equal to 2. So I will be taking the 6 this side. So 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. So now what I will do is that I will move on to this equation. So here also I have 1 by x and 1 by y. So what I will do is that I will write it as q p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so now I will be just simplifying. So LCM is 6. So 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 by 6. Since my denominator in LHS and RHS is same, I will be just cancelling these two. So my equation is 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. So let this be equation 2 and let this be equation 1. So these are the two required equations that we want. So now we can just directly apply any one of the method. So let us use algebraic method itself. In that algebraic method, let us use cross multiplication method in order to find the value of P and Q. Then we will start substituting in X and Y. So now I'm just using cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication. In order to proceed, we'll just write the equations in the standard form. So my first equation will be 3p plus 2q minus 12 is equal to 0 and 2p plus 3q minus 13 is equal to 0. So now I will be just writing here. We will be just starting from B and ending in B itself. No, so that's what I'm gonna do. So 2, 3 minus 12 minus 13, 3, 2, 2, 3. So now I will be just crossing it. So now let us write the formula P by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to Q by, our variables is P and Q, no, solely I'm just writing it like this. So C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So P by, so this is 2 into minus 13, it is minus 26 minus, so 3 into minus 12 is minus 36 is equal to Q by C1 A2. It is minus 12 into 2 is minus 24, minus of minus, since minus is over here, 3 into 39, 13 is, it is 39, which is equal to 1 by 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. So P by minus 26 plus 36 is equal to Q by minus 24 plus 39 is equal to 1 by 9 minus 4 is 5. So P by minus 26 plus 36 is 10 is equal to Q divided by 39 minus 24, it is 15 is equal to 1 by 5. So let us just equate it. So P by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. So this implies P is equal to 10 by 5. So therefore my P is equal to 2. And Q by 15 is equal to 1 by 5. This implies Q is equal to 15 by 5. So therefore Q is equal to 3. So P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 3. So in the beginning of the question, we just substituted 1 by X is equal to P and 1 by Y is equal to Q. No, so therefore this implies 1 by X is equal to, what is P? It is 2. So therefore 1 by X value is 2, or this implies X is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer for X. So 1 by Y is equal to 3. So now what? So Y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the answer. That's it. 2, we have the two equations, pair of equations that is given, and here also we will be reducing it to pair of linear equations. So even in this question, we will be just seeing only the variables here. So it is root x, root y, root x, root y, and it is also in the form of 1 by root x and 1 by root y in both the equations. So what I will do is that I will take 1 by root x is equal to P and 1 by root y is equal to Q. So I will be just substituting in the equation. So my 2 into 1 by root x will become P plus 3 by root y will become 3q is equal to 2. So let this be equation 1. And my second equation will become 4p minus 3 by root y will become 9q is equal to minus 1. So let this be equation 2. So now let us use cross multiplication method or elimination method or substitution method. So whichever is easy you can do. Now I'm going to use elimination method. Since no method is mentioned, you can use any method. So now by using elimination method, so here if I just look into the coefficient of P and Q, there is nothing common, no. So that is the coefficients are same. So I will change this to same coefficient. So what I will do is that let me take 2 and 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2, so that I will just multiply by 2 in the first equation. So first equation into 2 gives me 2 2s are 4p plus 2 3s are 6q is equal to 4, and my equation 2 just like that I can write 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. I will be just subtracting it. So subtraction minus plus plus. So this part will get cancelled, and 9 plus 6 is 15q, which is equal to 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. No? So q is equal to 5 divided by 15, which is 1 by 3. So now I will be just substituting value of q in equation 1. That is the original equation. So substitute q is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. So equation 1 implies 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. So this implies 2p plus 3 into what is q? 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So 2p is equal to, I will just take this side, 2 minus 1. So p is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So divided by 2. So therefore p value is 1 by 2. In the beginning of the solution we assumed that 1 by root x is equal to p. No? So this implies 1 by p is equal to root x. So this implies, so 1 by 2 is equal to root x. So I will be just taking square. Okay, square on both the sides. So I will have x is equal to 1 by 4. So the value of x is 1 by 4. So now for 1 by root y is equal to q. So I will have 1 by q is equal to root y. So which is equal to 1 by, what is q? It is 3 is equal to root y. So this implies y is equal to 1 by 9. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 9. That's it. Subdivision 3, even here pair of equations is given and we have to reduce it to pair of linear equations and then find. So if you just look into the x term alone, in both the cases this is in the degree minus 1. So if you just look into y, it is linear. That is, the degree is 1 only. So what we will do is that we will be substituting only for 1 by x. So solution, let 1 by x is equal to p and y be y only. So what will be my equation next? So 4 into 1 by x is p plus 3 into y as it is equal to 14. So let this be equation 1. So my second equation will become 3p minus 4y is equal to 23. So let this be equation 2. So now I can just directly use any one of the method in order to find the solution. So now let me use cross multiplication method. So by using cross multiplication method. So we will be just writing this in standard form. Yes. So 4p plus 3y minus 14 is equal to 0, and 3p minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 0. So I will be just going for a circle. No. So right from B we will be moving on and coming back to B itself. So 3 minus 4 minus 14 minus 23, 4, 3, 3 minus 4. Now let's cross this. So be very clear with this diagram because this is the most important. So here my variables are p and y alone. So p divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by, you have some marks for doing all this, that is writing formula and all those. So it is very must to write the formulas. You may get 1/2 a mark in order to write these formulas. So now we will be crossing this, that is 3 into minus 23, it is minus 69 minus 4 into 14 times it is 56 minus into minus is plus is equal to y by, so my 14 into 3 it is minus 42 minus 23 into 42 it is minus 92, which is equal to 1 by minus 16 minus 9. Okay. So p divided by minus 69 minus 56 is equal to y by minus 42 plus 92 is equal to 1 by minus 25. And here p divided by 5. So minus 125 is equal to y by, here it is 50 is equal to 1 by minus 25. So therefore p by minus 125 is equal to 1 by minus 25, which implies p is equal to, minus and minus will get cancelled, so 125 by 25. So therefore p is equal to 5. Y by 50 is equal to 1 by minus 25. This implies y is equal to minus 25 divided minus 50 divided by 25, which is y is equal to minus 2. So we also said that 1 by x is equal to p. No. So therefore 1 by p is equal to x. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 5. So x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Subdivision 4, we have two pair of equations that is given and we have to reduce this to pair of linear equations. So solution, here also we will be just seeing this one. See, here till now we were using only variables. No, either it will be a number into x or something, but here it is subtraction. So what you will do is that the entire term you have to substitute into a variable. Okay, you can't just take this x alone as p and have p minus 1, 5 by p minus 1. No, nothing doing. So what you will do is that you will take the entire term. So let me have 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. Why we are not taking only x as p is that if we take x alone as p, so we will have p minus 1 again, where it will be a problem in order to do the solution for this. Okay, so let me have 1 by x minus 1 as p and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. So now I'm going to substitute it. So I will have 5p plus q is equal to 2 and 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. So it is always better to use cross multiplication method or elimination method, because those two methods will be little small and easier, and whatever is possible for you, you can do. It is not that we have to do this method or that method. Whatever is easy for you, you can do. So for me, elimination method in cross multiplication is better. So but I'm just going with cross multiplication for this sum too. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So now I will be using cross multiplication method. So now I will be just writing it in the standard form, that is 5p plus q minus 2 is equal to 0 and 6p minus 3q minus 1 is equal to 0. So now I will be just going for a circle right from B to B itself. So it's time to draw here. You have to start from here only, no? So 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, 5, 6, 1 minus 3. So now let us draw a cross. So now since the two variables which we are using is p and q, let us write the formula as p by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to q by c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So p by minus 1 minus of minus 6 is equal to q by minus 12 minus of minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 6. So now p divided by my 1 minus 6, no, so it is minus 7 is equal to q divided by minus 12 plus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 6 is 21. So therefore p by minus 7 is equal to q by minus 7 is equal to 1 by minus 21. So therefore p by minus 7 is equal to minus 1 by 21 is equal to, so here minus and minus will get cancelled, so p is equal to 1 by 7, it is 1 by 3. So q by minus 7 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 21. This minus will get cancelled. So q is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore p is equal to 1 by 3 and q is equal to 1 by 3. Also we did a substitution. Yes, we will be substituting those values here. So x minus 1 is equal to p. So this implies 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p, no? So x minus 1 is equal to 1 by p. So here x minus 1 is equal to, what is 1 by p? It is 3. So here x is equal to 3 plus 1. So x is equal to 4. The value of x is 4. Y 1 by 1 minus 2 is equal to q. So this implies q is equal to 1 by q is equal to y minus 2. So what is 1 by q? It is 3 is equal to y minus 2. So y is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. So therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. That's it. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.